So let me explain about Django setup. Okay, na? So first we need to be create virtual environment because the Django project interaction running everything will be under the virtual environment. So what is an virtual environment? Virtual environment is nothing but a server for a specific Python application. So you are creating a server for specific Python applications. So let me take a D folder. Don't take the C folder. You may don't have the permissions. Okay, na? So go for the D folder. If I don't have the D folder, C means try for documents or some different folder. Okay, try for documents or some different folder. So let me go for a training. Let me pick a Python. So in this project, let me create a Django project. Okay, na? Django project. So in this folder, I will create. Everyone, please be focused. First, I need to be create virtual environment. Go
type CMD. What is the
to create a virtual environment? What is the command? Tell me. Python space -m venv space virtual environment name. So let me create a virtual env. So this is my virtual environment name. Press enter. It will create a virtual environment to you. Okay. So it is creating. So it will be created here. So here we created a virtual environment. So and we activated the virtual environment. How to activate? The name / scripts / activate. Next, in this environment, we install the Django. We install the Django. Why we install? Django providing a command to create a project. What is that one? Django hyphen. What is the command to create a Django project? Django hyphen admin space start project space project name. Okay. So it is installation is done. So now Django you need to run Django hyphen admin space start project and your project name. So I want to create a welcome app. Welcome app is my project name. Press enter. Now a project will be created to you. So here a project will be created. Welcome app created. Project yes. How I can able to run this one? By using the manage.py. So what you are doing here, you are try to running a project. What is the command? General to run a project. Python space manage dot py, either py or Python, anything can be fine. Manage.py space run server. Sir, my server is not working. Because your manage.py is exist in this project? No, it is existing in the welcome app. How to go to inside of that project? CD space. So your virtual environment must be run. Don't be stopped. Okay. Okay. So how I can able to go CD space welcome app. Now I am in the project. Let me run this command. What is the command? Python space manage.py space run server. Press enter. It will be run your Python project. Done na? Got it? Create virtual environment. Install Django. Create a project. Then use cd space project name. Next, run server. Copy this one. So I need to be copy. Go to any browser. So let me go to the Chrome. Press here. Okay. So now my application is running. What is the next step? So project is running. Next step is we need to create an application inside of this project. So let me open this project. Open this PyCharm. Let me go to the open. So just now we created a welcome app, right? So in the projects, Django project. Done na? Welcome app. Okay, open this project. This window. Done. Now I need to be create a application. Why I need to be create, sir? You need to be work with application or not? So project setup is completed. We need to be create an application. For example, student one application, teacher one. Okay. So in the organization, we are having a student department, teacher department, department. So different entities are there. For each entity, create a project. Okay. Create an app inside a project. So here I need to be create. Where can I able to create? It is running, right? How to stop? Control KC. Control KC. Press together. But if you are stopping here running without virtual environment, it will not work. That is the issue. Correct? Okay. Clear? Everybody is clear? So here I need to be create inside of welcome or outside welcome app. Inside a welcome app only we need to be create. So what is the project? How to create? py space hyphen m space start app. Sorry, py space manage.py space start app space your app name. My app name is, for example, I want to create a home page. Let me say home. Home is my app. Contact is one app. Created. Come here. Created. Okay, na? Done. Home is created. So this home contain views.py. If you created this project in the C folder, you don't have administration privileges, it will give an error. Okay, try to create other than C or check some folder. From Django. Django means what type of application I can create? HTTP based application. Django dot HTTP import HTTP response. Done. Next, let me create an API definition of home. It will take a request colon return. What you want to return? HTTP response of home page you need to be return. Home page you need to be return. Save. So this is my application. Let me run this one. We created a home. I want to go like a slash home, but it is open. No, you need to be create this URL or not. We need to create a URL or not. How to create? So in the home page, this is my home. Create a new file. What is the file name? urls.py. Okay, in this URL from django.urls import path. Done. Import is done. Here URL patterns is equal to square basis of path. So for example, my path is a home, comma views. So if I want to get a views, I need to be import the views also. Dot import views. So in the views, this is my views.py, right? So views.py, I'm having a home. views dot p views dot home comma name is equal to home. Done. URL is created. Everybody's clear? Huh? Huh? Earlier we created a different name. Now I am creating as a home. Home is my application name. Okay. For you created as a student. You can create as a teacher. But I just example I'm taking as a home. Okay. In the student we created a home. Now my application name itself a home. Clear? Sir, inside of the home I don't want the home. I change the name. So home. This is my API name. Okay. This is the folder name. So for a home, let me say home page. Now clear? My API name is the home page. So let me come here. Path is home page. Views dot home page. Name. So now I worked on the app which is under the project. So I need to be register this app. How to register? Go to the welcome app. Go to the settings. Here installed apps. Okay. Just now we created one app. What is the app? Home is my app name. Done. Next, go to the urls.py. So here we need to be import path comma includes. So I need to be include that path. That's what path. What is the path? Let me say empty path comma include. So what is the app name? Home is my app name. In the home, I have the folder called URLs. I have the folder called URLs. So whenever user requested this browser, right? First it will come to this URL patterns. It will come to URL pattern. It will check home. Home is registered in the settings. Yes. Then it will go to the home. From the home, it will be go to the which folder, which file URLs. URLs. In the URLs, you configure home. That home is under the views.py. This is the way it will execute. Okay, na? Comma. Save. Now, can I run directly? Can I run directly? No. Just now you created an app inside of a project. So you need to be migrator. Okay. These steps are little tricky, I know, but you need to be remember. Py manage.py space migrate. That application will migrate. That application will be migrate. See URL patterns. Oh, done. Done. Okay, everything is done. Now I need to be run my project. What is the command? Python manage. Python or py, anything can be fine. Manage.py run server. No, some issues are there. URL patterns. Let me go to the urls.py. PATTRNS. Okay, urls dot pattern. Okay, let me. Okay, now it is running. Correct? Correct? Let me come here. What is my API name? Home page, not a home page. Coming? Yes. So this is the what you need to be complete. First, create a virtual environment. Then activate. Then create a then install the Django. Then using the Django, create a project. Then CD, go to that project. In that project, run manage.py, py space, manage.py space, run server. It will run. Now I want to create a APIs. Okay, now I want to create a URLs. This is the way you need to be create a URL. Clear? Any questions? Next, I want to create a home page. I want to create some registration page. How to create? So what you need to do now, go to the PyCharm in the home. Okay, you need to create a folder called templates. New folder is nothing but a directory templates. Okay, in the templates, create a file called, for example, home.html. Home.html. Done? Yes, done. Done. How to refer this one? So in this, let me say doc type HTML doc type HTML. So in the HTML you are having a body tag. So in the body HTML home page. Okay, na? This is my page. I want to call this template. How to call the template? Go to the views.py. Tell me how to call. So you need to work with the template. Tell me. So what we need to do? This is for the HTTP response. You want to send a HTTP response or your HTML page? HTML page. Tell me. So to add this template to, so what we need to do? We need to import a loader. Okay. So let me import from Django dot template import loader. Okay. So loader is imported. Next, we need to create a object. How to create here? Let me say template. So anything, just my variable name. Loader dot get a template. What is the path? What is the path? So my one is, so it is the home.html, home.html. Done. So next, I need to be written this a template. So template dot render. Done. Can I go and check HTML homepage? Okay, please take this point. Import the template. Now, so here, whatever you are creating, for example, table contain t body. In the t body, if you're adding a tr, so let me say td, for example, 1 or id. Just I'm not adding anything, just id. Okay, this is the way. So please take this point in the views.py this part.